All right, we're in the basement now, 1821 Sillview. Let me just flip this camera around. Here's the repair that was made in the basement. There's a nice size hole in the pipe. Seems like they, back in the day when they piped this, you can see how I put a bend on to catch the angle of the pipe. They didn't have a bend in there, they just had a straight pipe, and over time it just totally turned to where a hole was able to be formed. It's kind of strange. But this is right underneath the basement stairs. You'll see right here is another clean out, just like the outside. It's protruding up through the concrete now. Allegheny County requires you to put a clean out anywhere a spot repair is made on an inside or outside sewer. So it's kind of best case scenario, clean out being hidden underneath those stairs, but it's not a bad thing. It's just another way to snake the sewer if you have to ever. Everything runs. How does it show? I still got a little bit of water running. Keep this camera clear. Clean out right next to the water heater. There's the basement.